And so now we can go over to Sublime. We're just going to start off by making a simple Python script. And so let's go ahead and ask the user what their name is. So we can say, what is your name? Okay, using that input command. And we'll assign the result to the variable name. And if we want to print, say, hello. Right, and so that plus sign in the print command concatenates the strings together. And so this should print out hello and then whatever the person's name is. And so now we're going to go ahead and save it. And so we're going to go ahead and save it in this sigwin home directory. Okay, and we'll just call it hello.py. So you notice one thing when we save it, suddenly we got some pretty colors over here in our Sublime text window, because now Sublime Text knows that this is a Python file. By giving it the extension .py, it knows that input and print are keywords. It knows that everything in quotes is a string. It knows the color of the plus sign red. And so as long as Python files are named .py, Sublime Text knows that. Same thing if MATLAB files, if we named it .m, it would recognize MATLAB syntax as well and color it accordingly. Okay, so now we're in our home directory. We can look, and we have this hello.py file. And so to run it, we can just type Python hello.py. Oh, I spelled it wrong. So if you spell it correctly and run it, it will say, what is your name? I type in Dan. It says, hello, Dan, just as we expected. Now, the one other thing you might want to do when getting ready with Python is we're going to go ahead and open up the Windows PowerShell so that we can actually have a interactive window. Because remember, I told you sigwin wasn't very good at being at interactive Python. Okay, so now we have Python installed and ready to go. And so make sure you finish up some of the data camp instruction to help with the Python syntax. And I have a couple more introductory videos, and then we can get started on some problem solving. So let's have some fun this summer, and good luck learning Python.